On August 6, 1945, the bomb titled "The Little Boy" was dropped on the city of Hiroshima. The destruction was at the time like none other, the death toll ranking in the 100,000s. The extremely large, devastating blow was only a taste of what was to come next.
On August 9th, the Fat Man
dropped on the city of Nagasaki, the death toll in at least the 80,000 range. Both of these bombings were not without purpose, though. All can be explained 5 years before the event even occurred.
The Manhattan Project was the secret organization that created both of these large nuclear weapons. The idea was brought to attention with a letter to the President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939. The letter was from Albert Einstein. The letter suggested that the United States starts their own nuclear research team. Einstein had fled Germany, knowing about how German physicists had figured out how to separate an atom into two. This could harness the power to cause great destruction when condensed in a bomb-like form.
In 1941, the United States started work on a bomb of their own, the atomic bomb. Also known as the Manhattan Project, the construction of the bomb first took place at a few select universities. These universities were the University of California at Berkeley, Chicago University, and Columbia University. After 3 years of research, a breakthrough was found at the University of Chicago. The scholars in the Stagg field found out how to produce a nuclear chain reaction. More funds were given to the research so it could progress further. After this, many more universities were involved in research, and an assembly plant was made in New Mexico. At that time, over 120,000 American civilians were either employed assembling, testing, or researching the bombs. $2 billion went towards that. The project was so secretive, no German, Japanese soldiers, or scientists were aware of this project at the time. The project was so secretive that the current Vice President, Harry S. Truman, didn't even know about it. The head of location operations, Robert Oppenheimer, was ready to start testing the bomb on July 16, 1954. At this time, Harry S. Truman was the president after the passing of Franklin D. Roosevelt. The testing was done at Trinity Site near Alamogordo, New Mexico. The scientists that worked on the project at the site gathered around and watched the bombing commence. The bomb was dropped, and the damage was extraordinarily large. The explosion could have been seen from 200 miles away from the actual site. Because of this, many people actually saw the explosion that weren't supposed to. To cover this up, a fake story was made up about a large artillery dump. At this time, Truman was in Germany. The bomb was completed, but at the time the president was unsure what to do with it. Now that America had the bombs, a surrender was offered to Japan, but Japan wasn't showing any signs of surrendering at the time. But it was taken into consideration, but they never mentioned the nuclear bombs.
On August 6, 1954, without warning, the American bomber Enola Gay dropped a large nuclear destructive device on Hiroshima named the Little Boy, one of the 2 atomic bombs produced during the Manhattan Project. "100,000 deaths were recorded within the first few days. 2 days after the bombing, the Soviet Union declared war on Japan.
1 day later.
After the Soviet declared war on Japan, America bombed Nagasaki with the second bomb.
The Fat Man! The Fat Man!
Was an even larger bomb in size and the amount of damage it could possibly inflict. The explosion was smaller than the Hiroshima bombing, due to Nagasaki's mountainous surroundings.
With all of this, Japan finally surrendered to both opposing forces trying to fight against them. The surrender was announced over the radio.